Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add subtitles or closed captions to your video clips on Metal TV, like your in-game recordings for example. So let us guide you through this, guys. So what you will need to do is navigate to your video clip in the Metal TV video editor. Make sure that you open the given video clip you would like to edit, and then what you want to do, guys, is move the playhead where we would like to start the subtitles. So let's say, for instance, the spoken language or the audio starts somewhere at the, 5 seconds mark. Move the playhead there, right click into the video clip and split it into separate parts so that you can start the subtitles with the spoken language. Then here on the left hand side, scroll down and click into subtitles. Now there's the option to automatically generate subtitles using the artificial intelligence here in Metal TV. So if there's spoken language in the background, for example with you or your gaming buddy speaking to a microphone while recording these video clips, you can let Metal TV do that. Or you can add them manually by clicking into this button and then move the subtitles, the first subtitle here to the position where your subtitles start or the audio starts, the spoken language. And then what you want to do, guys, is type in the spoken language, the spoken word here in the top left. For example, if you start with "Hey guys," and so on and so forth, right? So that's for the first subtitle. You can adjust also the position. So if you want your subtitles to be, at the top or in the bottom left, or I'm going to leave them here. You can adjust the length here. So if you say the first sentence to, let's say, to the 5 seconds mark, then adjust the length here. Press enter and you will see the subtitles here adjusted accordingly. And then continue by clicking into add row here and continue with the next subtitle, right? So if your video keeps going, let's assume that example video ends here, but let's assume your video clip is longer than these 7 seconds. Keep adding rows here by clicking to that button, adjust the length, type in the spoken audio here, so that it aligns with your subtitle, or the subtitle align with the audio, of course, excuse me. And that's it. That's how you create subtitles for your video clips on Metal TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.